This is the Forest River Cherokee 26 BRB Bunkhouse Travel Trailer Patriot Edition, exclusive to AC Nelson RV World. You just can't get it anywhere else. The floor plan features double bunk beds for the kiddos and a queen bed for you. You've got a U-shaped dinette, and in the kitchen you've got a microwave convection oven, a sink, a 2-burner stove, and a 12-volt high-efficiency refrigerator to keep your perishables fresh. And this one's loaded. You've got a power awning, deluxe wheels, AM/FM Bluetooth stereo, ceiling mount subwoofer, exterior marine grade speakers, outdoor TV mount. There's a mini kitchen and plenty of outside storage. Come make this one yours. AC Nelson RV World, pioneers in RV, masters of adventure.